Before they shot a 54-year-old man called Grunt while the car. The .223 caliber bullet had been fired.
A few days brutally slaughtering the hipsters whilst recording every little detail of the carnage. And yes,
just like the Husky, the Stanley has a brake strength rating of 1,500. The Husky broke at 1,490 pounds. Just like the RPS Outdoors, the strap broke near the drum. The rocket
into their own hands.
Yeah, here we go. Good end credit song. Best end credit song I've heard in a long time, actually. So many games don't even bother. Just like, hey, play some dramatic orchestra, whatever.
Okay, that's weird.
By going in through the roof and just kind of falling and getting up through it. Remember that when he jumps out of the helicopter, crashes through the glass ceiling.
Oh my God!
pay more attention to Rule 44 of the camping code. Learn how to counter battery with your mortar if people are mortaring you. Look.
The file system moves into the lead with a time of 8.26 seconds. Very impressive.
The guy down in front is weaving all over the place.
Precisely, they just attacked and insulted anyone who didn't support it. I was actually shocked by this. I previously thought the whole of the Valheim community...
$18,626. That's the average. The New Jersey average is $37,538. Yeah, that's brutal. And New Jersey is a...
But the grudgingly acknowledged was...
Also, why the fuck are you on the road? Sidewalk's over there, retard.
Because of a fucking bug. And all I got in exchange was a length of fucking pipe. I think it's Zaro 357 matchmaking can be a kick in the nuts for certain tanks, tiers and vehicle types. But it's free to play. His bike is 6 feet away. Hands down, the most perfectly mediocre game of 2018 was...
Yeah, nice fucking stop,
Total
asshole.
War Sign.
Alright, I'm gonna cut the line. Become the thing I swore to destroy.